Was it the President's decision for the Justice Department to sue the state of Arizona about its immigration law yesterday?
The Justice Department made that decision themselves. Obviously, the President was briefed, as was other departments.
Did the President think, I mean, here again, the reason this is an issue, obviously, because a lot came up about when Attorney General Holder made the decision, the original decision to try some of the 9/11 terrorists in New York. I asked the Attorney General, in fact, did you clear this with the President? He said, well, I informed the President.
Well, the President doesn't tell you what cases to take and how to file them and what positions. Obviously, the President was briefed. There are other agencies and departments that have equities in this. They were also briefed. But the ultimate decision is the decision of the Attorney General and the Justice Department.
So the President should not be held accountable for filing this lawsuit?
Well, no. It's obviously his administration, his Attorney General, Justice Department. But in the sense that, does he say to the Attorney General, you have to go do this? That's not the way the cases are filed. That's not how it's done. I think the right way to see it, and to give a perspective to your viewers, is he was briefed on this. The ultimate decision on how to file it, where to file it, what was the premise of it, is one done by the Justice Department.
Let me go at it one other way, okay?
I think you're going to get a similar answer. Right. You give it a shot. Let's see if we can get it.
Let's see.
Let's see if I can get the right answer this way.
Okay, all right. Let's see if you can get the right answer. Let's say the Attorney General...
I feel like I'm dealing with my children on their homework. Okay.
Let's say the Attorney General comes to the President and says, I think we should sue the state of Arizona on this immigration law. The President could very easily have said, forget it. I don't want you to do that, right?
I suppose that's a hypothetical.
It is, right.
And the good news is I'm not a lawyer. And so I think the way to see this is the President's been clear about, and I think the most important thing is to take away, that on this case, he does not believe 50 states we should have 50 separate immigration laws. That's where the President's view is. And I think let's walk back, since you're most trying to get at the President.
Sure.
He believes that we do not need 50 separate immigration policies, one per state. He understands the frustration that exists in Arizona, the frustration that there hasn't been an accountability by the government to secure the border. There hasn't been accountability by employers to abide by the laws as it relates to hiring illegal immigrants. And there hasn't been a sense of accountability for people who came here breaking our laws and what it's going to require of them if they plan on staying in this country. And the most important thing is it's a call to passing comprehensive immigration reform and a call that both parties work on solving that. That's what the President's view is. As it relates to this case, this was a case of the Attorney General.